Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I make $400 a month on passive income using Creative Market and Pinterest. So if you want to learn the 3 essential keys in order to start making money through Creative Market, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I do upload weekly videos to help you grow an impactful online business. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. Also, guys, if you want to learn more about driving traffic back to your business using Pinterest, I actually have a Pinterest course. I will leave the link in the comment section below, so make sure you check it out. So let's go ahead and dive in. The reason why I'm making this video, even though I have made several videos on Creative Market, is that many of you guys were asking me if I could talk a little bit more about the essentials or the things that you have to do in order to start seeing some results on Creative Market. So I'm going to do a little bit more deep diving in this video and kind of go over the 3 steps that you need in order to start seeing some results. Now, before I start, I do want to show you my numbers so you guys could see that I do make money through Creative Market. This is for the month of February of 2020. I made $457 out of the $4,612 that I sold. Keep in mind that with Creative Market, you only make 10% of your sale, and you also make money from your referrals. So it's not a way that you're going to start making tons of money and get rich, but it is a great way to make extra money. So for me, almost $500 for February, that's amazing. That's extra money. That's money that I could pay off bills, that I could put on my savings account, that I could use for my other marketing stuff that I do online. But it is just great. So imagine if you made an extra $100 a month or $300 or even more if you put more time and energy. I don't put that much time behind mine. But imagine if I did, it probably would be a lot higher, right? So therefore, this is a great way to just start earning passive income every single month, even if it's just $400 a month. For many of us, especially and all of us majority of us that are laid off, this is a great way to start earning more money every month. So I am going to show you the 3 steps that you need and kind of go step by step. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for Creative Market. I will leave my referral link in the comment section below. Please use my link. Sign up is free to join, and sign up for their affiliate marketing so you can start promoting their products. The second thing you need to do is open a Pinterest account. So you will need to go to Pinterest, create a business account, and open one. It's free, and Pinterest is my favorite platform to promote Creative Market. Now, you don't need to use Pinterest. You could use Pinterest in combination of Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms to promote Creative Market products. However, Pinterest is the one that makes me majority of my money, if not all of it. So therefore, that's why I'm showing you guys or recommending for you guys to use Pinterest. Now, with Pinterest, it's free to join, like I said, so you don't have to pay anything. So I highly recommend just signing up. So that's the essential number 2 that you need. The essential number 3 that you're going to need is a niche. You're going to have to decide who is your target audience. You don't want to open a Pinterest account and have everything and anything on it, especially in the beginning. Once you start growing, once you start seeing some traction, you could start adding additional products at different niches as well. But in the beginning, you have to be very strict and just very niche down. My Pinterest account promotes or helps small business owners or Etsy sellers. That's all I kind of focus on. So you will need to do the same thing. You need to decide who is your target audience. What I would do first is look at Creative Market. Look at the different options of things that you could share and promote. And from here, based on what you see, pick an audience. It could be bloggers. It could be photographers. It could be small business owners. It could be real estate agents. It could be um, school teachers, anything like that. But pick one. And from there, what you would do is you would go back to Pinterest. You would create the account and you would say, let's say you want to market to bloggers. You would create the account and you would market it to bloggers. You would say, I help bloggers who want to grow their business online. And then you would create different boards. I recommend creating at least 3 to 5 boards and just create a blog. You could create a board that says blogging tips, right? Go here, type in blogging tips. You can name the board blogging tips and start posting these pins inside that particular board. Create another board that says, let's say, how to grow your blog or how to grow your email list, right? Because a lot of bloggers, like including myself, need to grow our email list. So then you could put email list tips and then you could put all these, right, inside that actual board. Create another board. Maybe that board is social media marketing and then start pinning those pins in that board. I would do anywhere from 10 to 20 pins per board, which is fine just to kind of get it started. Essentially, what you want is that you don't want your Pinterest account to look empty and you want to put some pins in there. Then what you would do is you will go back to Creative Market. And let's say you wanted to promote templates for Facebook. You could create a board that says Facebook templates, right? And then you would do is, let's say this is the you want to promote this. You like this is what I want to promote. All you have to do once you're ready to promote something, you click on the image and you would right here, pin. That's all you do. You don't have to put your code because automatically, or your affiliate marketing code, it automatically recognizes it. And from here, you will pick the board that you want to save it on and you will put in that particular board. You will put a listing description or a pin description. You will optimize it for SEO and then make sure that on the bottom of the pin description, you put hashtag ads or hashtag sponsor. That way, when somebody is buying that particular product, they know that this is an affiliate product. And it's important that you are transparent with people that you do make money if they use your link. But that's all you have to do. And you don't have to do anything else. I used to create pins. Like I would take this image, drag it to my desktop and create a pin. But it's very time consuming and I stopped doing it. Because it was just so much work to do. And to be quite honest, I still make money without creating a pin that is vertical. Does vertical pins work better? Yes, they do. But I have not had any issues with just pinning directly from Pinterest. And it is a lot quicker when you do it from Pinterest versus creating your own pin. Let me see if I find one really quick. If I don't, you guys will have to forgive me. I'm trying to see. Oh, right here. So these are some that I did on my own. I took the pictures of the product and I put it here and then I kind of created my own pin to promote. As you guys could see, I created this, but it's very time consuming to do that. So just keep that in mind. Just pinning from here and using that image is good enough. I still made almost $500 with pins like this and I didn't have to create them. So if you want to do them, way better. I mean, it's really, really good thing to do them. I'm not saying not to do them. If you want to make this into like, let me see if I could make 1,000 a month. Most likely if you have vertical images, they perform better. You probably will sell more. Is it time consuming to create them? Yes, it is. But you could always start with just pinning the regular pins and then later on working on, okay, now I'm ready to go ahead and make them vertical and start making that. But that's all you guys need to do, to be quite honest, to get started. Like I said, the first thing is 1, signing up for Creative Market. 2, signing up for Pinterest. 3, having a target audience in mind. Filling up all your boards. and then start adding affiliate products. And that's all you have to do. Optimize the listing description for SEO, as well as making sure you're transparent by telling the customers that this is a affiliate marketing pin. And that's it. That's pretty much it. It's nothing else I do. I make that money organically. I don't do Pinterest ads on that particular account. So that's all organic, which means people are finding me, buying, and that's it. I'm not spending any money to make that money. So, or I'm not spending money to drive traffic to my Pinterest account. So I hope that this video is helpful for you guys. I'm going to try to be more considerate of adding additional videos on how to make money online through things that I have tried before and I made money, or through things that I'm actually doing at the current moment and still making money from. So I'm going to do both, and I'm going to be more conscious of explaining it a lot better. That way you guys have a better idea of how to get started. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video and if you would like to see additional videos like this. And thank you guys for watching.